Hello, I'm Alia, your AI Institute faculty. Welcome to this prompt engineering beginner lesson. Today, we will learn what is a prompt and why it is important. A prompt is the message or instruction you give to an AI. When your prompt is clear, the AI understands you better. In this module, you'll learn how to write better prompts. Let's begin.
Welcome to this lesson on prompts. By the end of this lesson, you will clearly understand what prompts are and how they work. You will learn how prompts help AI understand your instructions. We will also see how clear and simple prompts give better and more accurate results. This lesson will help you use prompts effectively for learning, work, and everyday tasks. Let's start with a simple question. What is a prompt? Well, a prompt is just a clear instruction or question. It's like telling a friend exactly what you need so they can help you properly. If your prompt is clear, the answer is clear. If your prompt is weak, the result is also weak. Think of a prompt like giving instructions to a smart assistant. You decide what you want, how you want it, and in which style. You can control the tone, the length, and even the creativity of the response. So always remember, AI does not control the output. Your prompt controls the output. Learn to prompt smartly, and AI will work smarter for you. Have you ever asked an AI a question and got an answer you didn't expect? That happens because AI follows instructions very closely. The better your prompt, the better the result. In this lesson, you'll discover how small changes in your words can make a big difference. You'll learn how to be clear, specific, and creative when talking to AI. In this practical session, we are going to understand how prompts work using real examples on the screen. Well, a prompt is the instruction we give to the AI. It tells the AI what we want it to do. First, let us type the prompt, explain climate change. This prompt is a question. The AI reads this question carefully. It then gives a clear and simple explanation about climate change. Now, let us move to the second example. Here, we type the prompt, write an email. This prompt is a command. The AI understands that it needs to create written content. Based on this instruction, the AI generates an email. Next, we try the third example. We type the prompt, create a presentation. This prompt is a request. The AI understands that it should organize information into slides. It prepares a presentation structure based on the prompt. In all these examples, the AI responds based on the instruction given in the prompt. Clear and simple prompts help the AI understand our needs better.
Before we continue, let's clear one thing. AI can do amazing work when we guide it properly. It doesn't think on its own. This is exactly why prompts are important. A prompt is the starting point of every AI response. The way we ask decides the kind of answer we get. We guide AI step by step. Your prompt decides what AI writes, how long the answer would be, and even the tone of the response. Always remember this simple rule. AI listens, it doesn't think. It does not guess your intention. The prompt is the only way you communicate with AI. Your prompt shapes the response. Clear prompts unlock powerful results. Better prompts mean smarter answers. AI does not think like a human, so it depends fully on the instructions we give. When a prompt is clear and well written, the AI understands the task better and gives accurate results. A poor or unclear prompt can lead to confusing or incorrect answers. The prompt is what turns AI speed into something useful. A good prompt acts like a map. It shows AI where to start, what path to follow, and where to stop. When the prompt is clear, AI works smoothly and gives accurate results. Prompts also give you control. They decide whether the answer is short or detailed, simple or technical, formal or friendly. This means the power of AI is not just in the tool itself, but in how well you guide it. In reality, the difference between a random AI answer and a perfect one is not the AI. It is the prompt. Now let us see the effect of a poor prompt. When the instruction is not clear, AI does not understand what you really want. Because of this, the output becomes confusing or incomplete. Sometimes the answer looks correct, but it is not what you expected. Then you rewrite the prompt again and again and again. This wastes time and effort. A poor prompt gives mixed signals to AI. AI follows those signals and produces weak results. This is why unclear instructions lead to confusing outputs. To save time and get useful answers, your prompt must be clear, specific, and simple. So remember, poor prompt means poor output. Clear prompt means better results. A poor prompt can strongly affect the quality of an AI's response. When instructions are unclear or incomplete, the AI does not understand what is really needed. As a result, the output may be confusing, incorrect, or not useful. A weak prompt often leads to too much information, too little detail, or content that is off topic. This can waste time and create frustration because the user must ask again or fix the response. Poor prompts also make it difficult to control the tone and purpose of the output, which can lead to unprofessional or unsuitable results. In learning and work situations, this can cause misunderstandings, mistakes, and low quality outcomes. Understanding the effect of a poor prompt helps us see why clear and thoughtful instructions are important. A good prompt makes a big difference. When your instruction is clear, AI understands exactly what you want. Because of this, the output becomes useful and accurate. If you get the right answer in the first try without confusion or extra effort, it is because of a good prompt. Good prompt saves your time. You don't need to rewrite again and again. Clear instructions help AI work faster and better. So remember this simple rule. Clear prompt gives clear output. Write a good prompt, and AI will support you effectively. A good prompt has a strong positive effect on the quality of AI responses. A good prompt guides the AI in the right direction and helps it focus on what is important. Instead of guessing, the AI follows the instructions and delivers better output. One major effect of a good prompt is improved accuracy. Clear instructions reduce mistakes and misunderstandings. When the AI knows exactly what is expected, it produces responses that match the user's needs. This is especially important in learning, work, and professional tasks where correct information matters.
Today, we are going to learn three very important ideas in prompt engineering. These three ideas help us talk to AI clearly and correctly. They are context, task, and constraints. Context means background information. It tells the AI what is happening, who it is for, and why we are asking. Think about this like talking to a person. If you start speaking without any background, the other person may feel confused. For example, instead of saying write a story, you can say write a short story for school children about honesty. See the difference. Now the AI understands who the story is for and what kind of story you want. That is context. When you give good context, the AI gives better answers. Now, let's move to the second part, task. This should be very clear and direct. You can ask the AI to explain, create, summarize, translate, or generate something. For example, explain prompt engineering in simple words, or create a voiceover script for a training video. When the task is clear, the AI knows exactly what action to take. If the task is unclear, the output will also be unclear. So always remember, one clear task gives one clear answer. Now let's talk about the third and final part, constraints. Constraints mean rules or limits. This tells the AI how you want the answer. Constraints can be about length, format, language, tone, or style. For example, you can say explain in simple English, keep it under 100 words, write it in a friendly teaching tone, or make it suitable for voiceover. These rules guide the AI. They help control the output and make it perfect for your use. So when you combine all three, context, task, and constraints, you create a powerful prompt. This is the heart of prompt engineering. The better your prompt, the better your result. Now let's understand the difference between a poor prompt and a good prompt. First, look at this poor prompt. Write an essay. It does not say how long the essay should be. It also does not say who the essay is for. Because of this, the AI has to guess. And when the AI guesses, the answer may not match what we actually want. Now let's look at a good prompt. Write a 150-word essay on online learning for Indian college students using simple English. This prompt is clear and complete. It tells the AI what to write an essay. It tells how long. It tells the topic. It tells the audience. And it tells the language style. Because everything is clear, the AI can give a much better and more useful answer. So remember, a good prompt removes confusion, and clear instructions always create better results. Now let's do an activity of improving a poor prompt together. The original prompt says, create a presentation. This prompt is too basic. It does not tell the AI what topic the presentation is about. It does not say how many slides are needed. And it does not mention who the audience is. So now, here is your task. I want you to improve this prompt by adding 3 things: the topic, the number of slides, and the audience. For example, instead of saying create a presentation, you can say create a 10-slide presentation on prompt engineering for beginners designed for college students using simple language. See how clear that is? Now the AI knows what to create, how much to create, and who it is creating for. This is how a poor prompt becomes a good prompt. So remember, whenever you write a prompt, always ask yourself, have I added the topic? Have I mentioned the length? And have I defined the audience? That is your task. Practice this, and your prompts will become stronger every day. Now let's look at another improved prompt example. The improved prompt says, create a 5-slide presentation on time management for Indian college students using bullet points. This is a strong and clear prompt. First, it clearly tells the AI what to create. Next, it mentions the number of slides. Then, it gives the topic. It also clearly defines the audience. And finally, it explains the format. Because all the details are included, the AI does not need to guess anything. It knows exactly what kind of output is expected. A prompt is simply an instruction we give to the AI. The AI does not think on its own, it only follows what we tell it to do. When we write good and clear prompts, the AI understands our needs better and gives us better results. Clear prompts also save our time. We don't need to correct the answer again and again. So always remember, the clearer your prompt, the faster and better your output will be. Thank you for attending this lesson. I really appreciate your time and attention. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and keep improving. Thank you, and all the best.